Uno Bingo, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to get 3 tiles in a row horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Give each player a bingo card. Place the tiles in the center of the table. Pick a player to go first, then play initially proceeds clockwise. On your turn, roll all 3 dice. First, look at the 2 white dice to indicate to you what matching colored space and number should be covered on your card. Then, if you have that space on your card, cover it with a tile. If you roll a wild color, then you may pick any single spot on your card with the indicated number regardless of color, but only one. After you place your tile, look at the black command die and perform the action as indicated. Skip. The next player's turn is skipped. Reverse. Change the direction of play. Wild draw 1. You may remove 1 tile of your choice from any other player's bingo card and put it in the center. If there are no tiles on other players' cards, do nothing. Blank. Do nothing. Your turn is now over and the next player goes. When you get 2 adjacent tiles in a row in any direction, you must yell Uno. If you don't and another player catches you before the next player rolls the dice, then the player who caught you gets to remove any 1 tile from your card. The first player to get 3 in a row must yell Uno Bingo to win. If they don't and another player catches them, then that player gets to remove 1 tile from their card and the game continues.